You've already done the hardest part. You paid off your debt. But here's the truth. Most people stop there, and that's the biggest mistake of their lives. Because the moment you make your final payment, you've unlocked something powerful, your first real wealth engine. Think about it. You've been sending $300, $500, maybe $1,000 every month to your past. But now, that same money is free. Most people let it disappear. Higher bills, new gadgets, lifestyle creep. But not you. You're about to make that payment your future's first investor. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Figure out what your last debt payment was. Step 2. Set up an auto transfer for that exact amount to a separate account, a high-yield savings or beginner investment account. Step 3. Never touch it manually. It's not extra money. It's your wealth payment. If you were okay living without that $300 before, you can live without it now, and your future self will thank you. Here's what's wild. If you keep redirecting your old debt payments into an S&P 500 index fund instead of spending it, after 10 years, you could have over $60,000 from the same money that used to be holding you back. It's not just about getting out of debt. It's about turning pain into power. Now you've flipped your debt payments into your first investments, the foundation of your wealth journey. But before you can grow it, you need to fix one thing that will silently destroy your savings if you ignore it. That's what I'll show you in the next video. And trust me, you'll never look at your money the same way again. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss it. Your future self will thank you.